Hi everyone, my name is Natasha and today I'm going to show you a super simple and easy and healthy and super crunchy snack. So it's going to be little jam lettuce with amazing guacamole and some additions as well. Let's get started. For our little jam lettuce snacks, we are going to need two little jam lettuce, about 12 leaves, medium to big leaves from here. If you have any other type of cabbage, it's perfectly fine, but I like this one because of their leaves, it's super crispy and super fresh as well. Here we have 400 grams of freshly made guacamole. Make sure to go and check out the video how to make guacamole. I'm going to link in the notes below. 1 tomato, 1 kapia pepper, you can use red bell pepper or yellow bell pepper, whatever is easier for you. 100 grams of sweet corn and some parsley for decoration. Let's get started. First thing, we are going to choose our leaves. So we are going to need about 12 leaves and make sure to wash them properly because we don't want any surprises inside. These leaves will be packed full of flavor with this guacamole. It's amazing. As I said, don't forget to go and check it out. Okay, so these are our leaves. I'm going to wash them and to dry them. We don't want any extra moisture in our snack. Next step, we are going to prepare our other ingredients and mix them with the guacamole. To my chopped tomatoes and pepper, I'm going to add our guacamole and our sweet corn. Give it a good mix and season it with salt and pepper. Our mixture is ready to go in our little jam lettuce. I'm going to set it aside. I have a serving plate already right here. You want to make it beautiful. Okay, and we just take a little jam lettuce leaf and put like about 1.5 spoons of this mixture. So this is our snacks ready to go on the table. I'm just going to decorate them with some parsley leaves, just like this. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. I'm posting every Tuesday and every Friday new videos of healthy recipes, super easy recipes as well. So these snacks takes literally 5 minutes from scratch, including guacamole. Don't forget to check it in the notes below. I'm going to link it for you. This is a worth trying dish. It's super delicious, super fast and super fun to make as well. This was my recipe of 5-minute snack. It's super easy and super fun to make as well, but most importantly, super healthy. Thank you very much for watching. If you have any comments, leave them in the comment section below. Don't forget to like the video, to subscribe as well if you are new to this channel. And don't forget, I'm posting every Tuesday and every Friday more interesting and healthy recipes. See you in the next video.